In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a workspace in Notion with a simple step-by-step guide for both desktop and mobile. If you've ever found yourself needing to tidy up your Notion account by leaving a workspace, or if you just want to streamline your digital life, this tutorial is for you. We're going to make this process easy and clear so you can get back to being productive. First things first, you'll need to open up Notion. You can do this on your desktop or mobile, as Notion provides great versatility across devices. Ensure you're logged in with the account that is associated with the workspace you intend to leave. It's always a good idea to double check which account you're in if you manage several. Once you've got Notion open and ready, the next step is to head over to the settings. On the desktop version, you typically find the settings by clicking on your profile icon, often located at the bottom left corner of the interface. On mobile, you can access settings by tapping on the three horizontal lines usually found at the top left corner of your screen. Here, you'll find a menu, and the settings are usually among the first few options. Clicking on it takes you to a new set of options. Now that you're in the settings menu, your next destination is the general section. This section is all about managing your account preferences, and it's here that we'll find the option to leave the workspace. On desktop, this might appear in a sidebar to the left, or it might be a tab at the top, depending on your version of Notion. On mobile, it's typically listed within the menu. This part should feel pretty intuitive, as Notion does a great job of organizing these menu systems logically. Once you're in the general settings, you'll find an option labeled Leave Workspace. It's important here to ensure you're discontinuing the right workspace, especially if you're a part of multiple teams or projects. When you click Leave Workspace, Notion will usually have you confirm your choice. This is a safeguard to prevent accidental removals, so take a moment to read any prompts that pop up. After confirming, you're officially no longer part of that workspace. You'll find this particularly useful when cleaning up old projects or reducing clutter in your workspace list. Notion handles this transition smoothly, so you won't need to worry about lingering access or data issues. And there you have it. An effective method to leave a workspace in Notion, whether on your desktop or mobile. This keeps your digital space organized and ensures you only see the workspaces that matter most to you. If you found this walkthrough helpful, consider supporting the channel by liking this video or subscribing for more content like this. See you in the next tutorial.